You know how you want to sell digital products online, you want to teach people how to make money online, things like that, but the problem is you don't have your own product to sell. I totally get that. For the last 15 years, I've been helping people create their own online courses, memberships, do affiliate marketing, online business, but the problem was, and the thing that I hated so much was, as they were learning how to do it, they weren't making the money because they didn't know how to do it yet. But what if you had a product that you could sell already and that would allow you to do it? I mean, this is great, right? So that's why I created this here. I've got this Ignite program that people can sell. It's $399, but I give it to you so that you can sell it. And it teaches people how to create, launch, and scale an online course. I've got this Elevate product. It teaches people how to create, launch, and scale online memberships. You can sell it. It's $799. You make 100% of the profit on all of these. And the Apex teaches you how to actually create your own profit loop system, which is where people can sell your product. You can help people the way you want to help them, and other people can benefit from selling your stuff as well. So I created these. They all have their own calls. If you get one, like the Apex, you get all three. If you get Elevate, you get Elevate and Ignite. If you get Ignite, you get Ignite. And you can always upgrade. But the cool thing is right now, I've got this program. It's $149 a month. Whoever joins this by May 1st, they can just pay the $149 per month. And then all they have to pay after that is simply the $21 a month. I take care of their customers because that's a big problem people had too. They're new to this whole thing. So if they sell this thing, they can't service the customers. Somebody's got to service the customers. I'll take care of all that. You just pay the $21 a month. I'll take care of your customers. Your customers can pay $21 a month. It's no big deal. They get the calls, they get the community, they get the private course, they get everything, they get support they need, but then you've got something you can sell and you can earn and learn at the same time. So just wanted to share with you, the promotion goes away May 1st, but between now and May 1st, you can even join the Make Once Pro, which this is going away as well, but you can join Make Once Pro. You can join for lifetime access. You save $800, but May 1st, this is going away. So you can either pay $149 a month, and as long as you're paying that, you don't have to pay any of the upfront costs. You get all of these trainings, all of the stuff that you need to learn how to do this. And so for basically the price of, a pair of shoes, or if you want to join lifetime, you can do that. You'll have lifetime access to learn about our mission, which is how to equip you with the knowledge, the blueprint, and the support necessary to develop a 7-figure recurring online income, doing what you actually love to do. And I'm excited about this because life is just better when you have more money and less stress. So I want you to be able to learn how to sell while you're selling something. I got a promotion going on that's crazy right now. And if you want to just get in and test the waters, I've got a free community. All you have to do is just go to makeonce.com, and there's only one thing you can do. Click one button and it'll take you over to this free community, and you can start enjoying this free course that I've got over there. It teaches you how to create products, teaches the actual process of creating them, marketing, scaling, systems. It's all there. It's a lot of fun. We do things where you do less, but you can earn more. We keep it simple, fun, and we actually believe in ourselves over there and have a good time doing stuff. So if you're interested in that, there's a link up above. I mean, you know how to find it. I look forward to seeing you inside.